Hello intellectuals, I am SK Thakur and you are watching this video in Digital Maths Academy. Let's do question number B. So we see at the right hand side we have angle A, angle B and angle C. So we have to go ahead by the first condition, and the first condition we have here we have A plus B plus C equals to pi radian. So we have to take C at the right hand side. So we have here A plus B equals to pi radian minus C. Then operate both sides by sine and cos one by one. So sine A plus B equals to sine pi radian minus C, and that gives us sine C. But when you operate both sides by cos here, then cos A plus B equals to cos pi minus C, and it gives us minus cos C. Then we are going to choose left hand side. So we have here left hand side we have sine square A minus sine square B and minus sine square C. So I have already explained in the previous video how to remove square. So when you remove square, then sine square A, that's angle becomes double. So we have here 1 minus cos double of the angle by 2, and here sine square B becomes 1 minus cos 2b, that's double of the angle by 2, and minus sine square C. After that, this 1 by 2 we write it as 1 by 2 at first as LCM. Then inside the bracket we see here we have here 1 minus cos 2a, so we have here 1 minus cos 2a, and when you open this bracket by minus, then it becomes minus 1, and minus minus plus cos 2b, that's cos 2b, and minus sine square C will be at last. Then we see here plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel. Then remaining we have here 1 by 2, and here minus cos 2a and plus cos 2b. So let's write positive value, that's cos 2b at first. So cos 2b minus cos 2a and minus sine square C. So we can take minus common also. So when you take minus common, then cos 2 will be at first and cos 2 be at second, and then we have to write minus at first. But we can apply cos C minus cos T here also, the formula also we can apply. So but at the place of C we have 2b, and at the place of D we have 2a. So cos C minus cos T equals to 2 sine C plus D by 2, that is 2b, plus 2a by 2 C plus D by 2 dot sine D minus C by 2. So D is 2a here. So we write here 2a minus 2b and by 2, and then at the last we have sine square C. Then we see here 2 and 2 cancelled, and remaining we have here sine, and we take 2 common. So when you take 2 common, it becomes b plus a by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel, and b plus a means a plus b. That same thing for the next term. We have here sine, and we again take here 2 here also common, and 2 and 2 will cancel. So we have here a minus b and then minus sine square C. Then we know that sine a plus b, have a look here, sine a plus b equals to sine C. So we write here sine C, then sine a minus b, and we can easily take sine C common from sine square C. So no need to change it into cos. So we write here sine square C only. Then we are going to take sine C common. So when we take sine C common, then we have here sine A minus B minus sine C. And here sine C, then sine A minus B, and sine C, again the value of sine C, we write sine A plus B. So we write here minus sine A plus B. Now to write it in the form of formula, if we write sine A plus B at first, then sine A plus B minus sine A minus B, we have formula to cos A dot cos B, but we have sine A plus B at second. So let's take minus common. So we have here minus sine C, and then we have sine A plus B at first, and then minus sine A minus B at second. Now we see it came in formula. So we write here minus sine C dot 2 cos A dot sine B. right? It's a formula, so if you write the formula inside the bracket, it becomes more clear. So that is sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. It is 2 cos a dot cos b. Now just we are going to open the bracket here. So when you open the bracket, we have here minus, and let's write angle a at first. So we have here minus 2 cos a dot sine b dot sine c. So we have 2 cos a dot sine b dot sine c, which is our right hand side, and that is proved. Let's do the question number C. So in C number also we have angle A, B and C at the right hand side. So we have to go ahead by the first condition. So now we are going to choose left hand side. So we are going to remove square. So it becomes 1 minus cos 2a by 2 minus 1 minus cos 2b by 2 and plus sine square c. So I have already explained how to remove square. So in this condition, angle becomes double. So now 1 by 2, this 2 as LCM, just write it at first. So we have here 1 by 2 times, it is 1 minus cos 2a, and there's a minus, so minus 1 and minus plus cos 2b will be. So we can write here minus 1 plus cos 2b and plus sine square c. Now plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel, so let it cancel, and then 1 by 2, and here minus cos 2a and plus cos 2b. So let's write positive at first. So we write here cos 2b minus cos 2a. We can write cos 2a also at first, but for that we have to take minus common. So we have here sine squared c. Now we are going to apply cos c minus cos d formula. So 1 by 2 times 2 sine c plus d by 2. So c, that's 2b, and d here is 2a. So c plus d by 2 means 2b plus 2a c plus d by 2 dot sine d minus c by 2. So at the place of d we have 2a here. So d minus c by 2, d minus c by 2, and plus sine square c. Now we can cut 2 and 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So we have here sine, and 2 again we can take 2 common, and 2 and 2 will cancel up and down, and b plus a can be written as a plus b also. So we write here a plus b dot sine. Here also we can take 2 and 2 common, so that cancels. So we have here a minus b and plus sine square c. Now sine a plus b. So have a look here, sine a plus b, we have sine c. So we write here sine c dot sine a minus b and plus sine square c, only because we can take sine c common from sine square c. So no need to change it into cos. So let's have sine c common. So we have here sine a minus b and plus sine c. Again we have the value of sine c. So right here sine c as it is, and then we have sine a minus b, and at the place of sine c we write sine a plus b. Sine a plus b. Now to write it in the form of formula, let's write sine a plus b at first. So we have here sine c, then sine a plus b at first, plus sine a minus b. Now it's in a formula. So sine a plus b plus sine a minus b equals to 2 sine a dot cos b. So we write here sine c, and we write inside the bracket also at first. So that is 2 sine a dot cos b, right? So write it inside the bracket. What's the formula here? Sine a plus b plus sine a minus b, we have 2 sine a dot cos b. Now let's write 2 at first and the angle a at first. So 2 sine a dot cos b and dot sine c. right? So to sin a dot cos b dot sin c we have at the right hand side, so we write here equals to right hand side and proved.